Come on, I'm going to show you how to do groom makeup in very simple, easy steps. The first step will be we have to cleanse the face thoroughly so that the face will appear dust free. The second step would be moisturizer to give little bit of hydration to the skin. Next step is giving little bit of brow shape. I'm going to fill the brows with little bit of eyebrow powder and make sure you're taking a pencil brush, not an angular brush, and then fill in the gap. Wherever it's required, just fill in the gap. It shouldn't be very shaped. So you have to take a pencil brush and I'm going to correct his little bit of imperfection with the concealer. So once we have done our color correcting and given a clear even base, we are going to set it with the powder, and I'm using a compact powder. So now you have to take a brown color and little bit give gradation below his eye so that it won't appear very small. So a little bit of contour so that it gives dimension to his face. Also a bit of nose contouring. So let's finish the makeup with a touch of little lip balm. So this is how my brother looks after final look. I hope you guys like it. Okay, bye bye Winsome family. Here is your Lakshmi Kannan.
Pradesh
Signing off.